Hey guys, Thunder E here, and today we got to see the Surface Laptop Studio. This is an all-new Surface device from Microsoft, and we got to see a ton of new upgrades to the Surface line as well as the Surface Duo. So if you want to see the Surface Duo video, subscribe to the channel, and of course check out that video. I'll leave a link for you right up there. So the Surface Laptop Studio is unique and different. Now Microsoft have been doing awesome changes with the Surface line over the years. And this is a traditional looking laptop that has a tilt display that has this free hanging hinge, which is absolutely amazing. Now, this is a 14.4-inch display that feels like a 13-inch, but also looks like a 15. It's a very unique form factor overall. Now, the cool thing is, of course, you can put it in traditional laptop mode, which is nice. You can also tilt this display forward, and you can also have it in its studio mode where you can watch content. You can play your games on Xbox Game Pass if you want to, and you can also put it in, of course, I like to call it artist mode, where you can use the Surface Slim Pen 2 to start drawing. Now, speaking of the Slim Pen 2, it docks right underneath the device and it charges right there. It also can charge directly via USB Type-C. It's a really unique pen. It's got 4,096 points of touch. It's got vibration feedback, so while you're drawing and sketching and etching on this device, you can do much more. Now, what is under the hood? This is powered by Intel's 11th gen processor. You can then get it in an i5 or an i7 variant, and you can go up to an RTX 3050 Ti, which is great. And it does come with 16 or 32 gigabytes of RAM. So you've got enough to actually do the things you want to do, especially whether you're editing or you're doing some rendering and stuff like that. I think this will work out pretty well. Now, as with Surface devices, this comes with, of course, the traditional Surface adapter plug, but it also comes with two Thunderbolt ports, Thunderbolt 4 ports, which is fantastic. You can connect to two displays if you want to, you can charge, all that fun stuff. Now, going back to that display, it's a 120 hertz display, so you've got 420 hertz, which means, honestly, while you're sketching and drawing, it's great. While you're gaming, that's even better. So there's a lot you can do with this device. Weight-wise, it's under 4 pounds, but it feels lighter than that, honestly. I really like the feel of this device altogether, and its starting price is $15.99, which is also pretty unique. Now, in terms of charging, though, it comes with a 65-watt charger for the Core i5 variant and a 102-watt charger for the Core i7 variant. And honestly, this is a laptop you can take with you anywhere and do a lot of things you want to do. So of course, you can put it in laptop mode, you can put it in stage mode, and you can put it in studio mode to either, of course, use it as a laptop, watch content, play your games, or even, of course, use it as a creator to draw, edit, and do whatever you want to do. Now, Microsoft did also announce other Surface devices like a Surface Pro 8, which is updated, comes with a 120 hertz display as well, two Thunderbolt ports, and of course, a new design, very slick, very slim, thinner bezels, just have the Alcantara keyboard, that houses, of course, the Slim Pen 2. And then, of course, there is the new Surface Go. So altogether, Microsoft has some new Surface devices for you to check out. I'm excited to see all of them. And let me know what you want me to cover with the Surface Laptop Studio. Whether you want to see some gaming, you want to see some creativity and productivity work, leave your thoughts down below. And also check out the Surface Duo 2 video. This is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.